What's the meaning of conversant? Conversant. Conversant.
Conversant. Conversant. The term conversant refers to a person's familiarity or knowledge with a particular subject, skill, or language. When someone is conversant in a topic, it means they have a good understanding of it and are able to discuss it confidently. This ability could come from experience, training, or study. Being conversant in a language means that one has sufficient knowledge of vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation to communicate effectively. Overall, being conversant allows a person to participate in discussions and activities related to a subject or language with ease.